to draw a cartoon squid, step by step. Hey, what's going on everyone? So for the first step of drawing our squid, we're going to begin by drawing the head, which is also known as the trunk and the fins. And if you're new to the channel, then welcome. We regularly upload step-by-step drawing tutorials just like today's video. So if you want to see more videos just like this, then I highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button. Next, connected to the top of the trunk where there's that opening, we're going to go ahead and draw the fins. The fins that we draw will almost look similar to a triangular shape. Keep in mind that if I ever go too fast, then feel free to pause or rewind the video as you need to. Now, right below the trunk, we're going to go ahead and draw two circle shapes for the eyes that will be connected to the bottom of the trunk. For this step, we're going to want to make sure that each of the circles that we draw are very similar in size. Nicely done! Now on the inside of each of those circles, we can go ahead and draw the pupils of our squid. On the inside of the pupils, we're going to leave a small white dot in the center. Let's do the same thing on the right hand side that we just did to the left. Now let's go ahead and draw the arms of our squid. In total, we're going to make 8 arms. Let's begin by drawing 2 arms that will connect right below the eyes. So now that we have those 2 arms drawn, we can now go ahead and draw the other 6 arms. Keep in mind that we're going to want to spread out the arms as evenly as possible so that we don't have 6 arms on just one side or 4 on just one side. We're going to want to make sure that there's about 3 more on each side. And at the very end of today's video, I'll show you a picture of my drawing all colored in, just in case you want to pause the video and match your colors. Whoa, this looks great. Now last but not least, I'm going to add a little bit of detail to the head of my squid. To add detail, I'm going to use small circular shapes. This is how to draw a squid. Thank you for watching Learn How to Draw Hub, and if you want to see more videos just like this, then make sure to subscribe and give this video a big thumbs up down below. Great job today, and thank you for drawing with me. See you next time. Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew, if you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.